Hey everybody, Leif Hansen here, Technical Account Manager for Fusor Adhesives. We're going to go through the simple process of doing a tab repair on a plastic bumper cover today, and we'll walk you through the whole process. All right, so we have our tab here that we're going to show you a repair on. This was torn during a collision. We've cleaned, prepped, and gotten rid of any loose pieces or any dubs that were on there. Cleaned it with our 703 organic cleaner and sanded it with a 180 grit, got it prepped. We're going to go ahead and put a thin coat of our 602 EZ surface modifier on there, and we let it flash off. We go ahead and do our structural repair after that. Okay, we are sanded, we're prepped, we are ready to roll. We have a piece of the 700 mesh cut out to size with the pink membrane. We're going to use both of these for the structural repair of this tab. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to level our plungers again, make sure we have equal parts coming out. We're going to go ahead and just purge a little bit out of this. Okay, got a little bit of material that I put on the back side of this tab. Now we're going to squeeze it into place here. Put a little bit more material on the front side. Use our mesh and our membrane to fold it over. Form it out as close as we can to the original thickness so we have less cleanup and sanding later. So now that we have this folded over, just kind of squeeze it to about the desired thickness that we want. The reason that we use the 140, first of all, it's a 1-minute material, dries very quickly, and it's clear so we can see where our old tab was so that we know where to cut out and make the new hole for the new one. All right, so we've had our 1-minute work time. We've got it all formed up. Now we waited our 20 minutes. Should be able to pull our membrane. Yeah, we got our membrane off of there. And that's why we like using the 140 clear. 1-minute work time, 20-minute sand time, and it's the clear so you can see where the old hole was for doing our tab repair. We can go ahead, cut, grind, sand, form, however we need to do it to get back to our original tab that was on there, and it will be as strong, if not stronger than before. Again, we can just go ahead and form, sand, grind, whatever we need to do to get back to our original hole that was on there. The 140 clear is a great product to work with. 1-minute work time, 20-minute sand time, and we have a tab repair.